AI now edit any image from the web. Phedra X lets you revisualize and modify pictures effortlessly.
What if you could change any online image with just one click? Meet Phedra X, the AI-powered tool that lets you revisualize, edit, and enhance images right inside your browser. Phedra X takes AI image editing to the next level, fast, smart, and incredibly precise. So, what makes Phedra X different? See an image you like? Right-click and let Phedra X generate a fresh version in seconds. Want to tweak an image? Just type what you need, and Phedra X makes it happen. Need variations, but want to keep the original text? Phedra X replicates images while preserving every word. Make any image clearer, sharper, and high resolution in seconds. Phedra X isn't just an editor, it's a game changer for creators, marketers, and designers. Update your brand assets instantly, no expensive software needed. Generate eye-catching ads and campaign visuals in minutes. Make your posts pop with AI-powered edits and short animations. Editing just got smarter. Try Phedra X today, because better visuals should be effortless.
Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we bring you the latest AI and online tools that you need to streamline your daily workflow. In case you are new here, kindly support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos. I've been compiling a list of AI tools for creators, and the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. Now let me show you how to use Phedra X to edit any image from the web. First, visit Phedra.ai and click on Download the Chrome extension. Install it in your Chrome browser. Now you're ready to use it. You can now search for any picture online, right-click on it, and choose Revisualize this image. Phedra X will analyze the picture and quickly provide a fresh version. If you want to adjust the picture, just type what changes you want. Phedra X will make the changes in seconds. You can also enhance the picture clarity. Simply press the upscale button, and Phedra X will generate a high-resolution version for you. So go ahead and check this tool out. If you have any question, feel free to leave your comment in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button.